Hey there! Today we're diving into an interesting problem regarding composables and event handling in Kotlin. The problem we're looking at involves the usage of a Lambda function to call an onClickHandler function. This Lambda function might seem redundant, given the direct assignment of the onClickHandler to the onClick variable. So, the question arises, is it better to eliminate this Lambda and directly assign the function to the variable? Now, let's talk about the solution to this problem. By removing the redundant Lambda, we aim to optimize our code. In the provided code snippet, we have a simple setup where we define an onClickHandler function and then call it through a Lambda assigned to another function. This approach ensures that the hello world message is printed when the function is invoked. Continuing with our exploration of the solution, we move on to another code snippet that demonstrates the same functionality without the intermediary Lambda function. Here, the onClickHandler function is directly assigned to the onClick variable. When we execute this code, we still achieve the desired outcome of printing hello world. This showcases that using the direct assignment leads to cleaner code without sacrificing functionality. To further validate our findings, let's examine the compilation process. By compiling the lambda.kt file with the specified command, we observe that the Kotlin compiler generates separate class files for each function. In this context, omitting the redundant Lambda reduces the number of generated class files, ultimately streamlining the compilation process and potentially improving performance, even if the impact is minimal. In summary, by optimizing our code and removing unnecessary layers, we can enhance the efficiency of our program. The utilization of direct function assignment over intermediary lambdas not only simplifies the code base, but also contributes to a more streamlined compilation process. So, next time you're working with composables or event handling, consider this approach for a cleaner and more efficient code structure. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment section below. And as always, happy coding!